Hello, my name is Hugh McTavish. I'm the founder of Squarex. I'm also the inventor of our company's drug. So I invented the drug that prevents cold sores for Squarex from my own problem. I was having constant cold sores. I have had frequent cold sores most of my life. Out of desperation, I had this idea for this drug that I thought might work. I'm a PhD biochemist, by the way, and a patent attorney, and this was kind of inspired by something that came across my desk to make me think that this might work. So out of desperation, I applied this compound to my lip, to my cold sore when I had a cold sore outbreak. And after that, I actually still got frequent outbreaks, but they were just nothing. They lasted like a day instead of 12 days. Immediately after two weeks or so, things shifted after the first dose. I knew it would take a little time. Actually, I expected that because of the mechanism of action. But 2 weeks or so after the first dose, it decreased from normal cold sores to them lasting 1 day. So then I applied it to my lip again when I had an outbreak, and after that one, I didn't have another outbreak for a whole year. I'd never in my life gone a year without having an outbreak. So I was convinced that it worked. So I was able to raise some money to do clinical trials to get the N to greater than 1, and started a company around this drug, Squarex. So we did the clinical trials. We've done 3 clinical trials so far. It's worked in every one of them. Every one of them we've had significant results in reducing number of outbreaks. And in one we were able also to test for prevention, for the severity of outbreaks, and in that case we also significantly reduced the severity of the fewer outbreaks that were happening. Were also less severe than in the placebo group. These were all placebo-controlled clinical trials. In one, we looked at the mechanism of action, and the mechanism, as I was expecting it would be, it just improves the immunity. It's not specific for the HSV-1 virus that causes cold sores. I'm confident it would work for HSV-2 and genital herpes as well, and perhaps other viruses as well. It just improves the immune response. We also discovered in the clinical trial we didn't need to apply it to the lip. We didn't need to apply it to the cold sore. We could apply it to the arm, and 1 dose on the arm had the effects. It does wear off after time, so we need to dose people once every 3 months, but only about once every 3 months, and only on the arm, not on the lip. The story gets even better. There's no drug on the market for preventing cold sores. That's why I needed to invent this. And there's nothing else even in clinical trials to prevent cold sores. So we've got no competition. And huge market, as you're presumably aware. A lot of people get frequent cold sores. 15% of the population gets 1 or more per year. 2.1% gets 6 or more outbreaks per year. So very big market, no competition. But we need to raise money. I hope you will join us so we can get this to the market, help people with this annoying and frankly painful problem, and frankly embarrassing problem with these cold sores popping up usually at the worst possible time. Thank you.